Hello guys, so sorry for my voice, still loaded with a cold. These are the ballerinas I was talking previously. I'm doing the male form, beg your pardon, with less lines, and I believe it's starting to actually work. I'm finding that I'm getting quicker now, so these actually took maybe about a minute less, and I don't know whether it's because it's the less lines, so I'm not having to go over and over and over things. It's basically creating a quicker sketch. So good speed, less pressure, geometric and observational, better structure, and it's basically a more simplified version. Let me know what you think. I'm actually really enjoying the less complicated drawing, and please let me know if you actually utilise these methods and what you think, what you would maybe change. And I shall see you next time, and I'm really sorry for the really short videos, but it's basically a critique and analysis for me to actually look back and see how the learning is coming on for myself. See you later guys, bye!